Hey, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be setting up some pages in my 2025 Jibun Techo. This is a B6 mini for 2025. Normally I do the Biz mini, but this year I just went with the regular mini. I really like this pink cover, so I opted for that this year. For February, I'm setting up using the Penelope kit. It has some fun florals and kind of a peacock motif with some tea accents. A lot of fun colors for February instead of like a typical Valentine theme. So first I have my calendar sticker kit. This is weeks sized and there's a lot of fun colors this month. Then I also get the creative kit. This has a bunch of different supplies. It's not just planner focused. We'll start pulling some of this stuff out and you'll see closer that while there are some planner focused items, it can really be used for kind of any creative venture. So we have stickles, a little pink glittery stickles. We have some embroidery patches. Then there are the adhesive die cuts. There's labels and banners and tabs in there. Some press dried flowers. A really random square of like distressed fabric with a rose pattern on it. Then we have the pocket cards. There are two 3x4s and a 4x6. So some fun, pretty patterns and affirmations. Here is the 4x6. Then we have the 3 sticker sheets this month, a deco, a days of the week, and like functional stickers at the bottom, and then the alpha, the numbers, and the icons. Another square of fabric. I got distracted by what my hands were doing. I was separating what I'm going to use for my monthly setup versus what I'm going to stick to the side. So I have the second square of fabric and then the rub-ons and then the 2 washies. The standard size is the same kind of floral pattern that is highlighted this month. And then there is a yellow, a very thin yellow. It looks like it could be butterflies on there, or just like a paisley kind of pattern maybe. It's not very clear what the exact pattern is on that washi. So I'm going to put some things aside and pull out my planner. I apologize for the lighting in this video. When I recorded, it was a very windy day and the trees were swaying and the clouds were in and out. So hopefully me turning on my desk lamp helps fix some of that for the rest of this video. So if you're new here or this is your first time watching me set up my planner, I start again with this calendar weeks kit and I put down my sidebar that is like the monthly header sticker there to cover up the side. Then I go in and I usually do my days of the week up at top. I'm comparing the different yellows and oranges. I want to cover up that pattern block. You can kind of see this is where the regular mini differs from the Biz mini. The Biz mini was super neutral with blue and red in the columns to mark the weekend. This one changes. Some months are this taupey gray brown color. Some months have green. Some are pink and some are like a slate blue up there. But because my days of the week stickers are Hobonichi week sized. They don't quite fill the whole space up there. So I'm putting down some of my other boxes. I put a little decorative phrase sticker up there to cover the January days that I won't be using. And then I have my this month and next month catch all boxes at the bottom. You can see me there contemplating what I'm going to put up there. I kind of lined it up to see how much it would cover. I like to cover the Japanese just because it's a little distracting if you can see it underneath the days of the week stickers. I pulled out this white washi that has multicolored dots on there, but it was a little too translucent, so instead I'm gonna layer it on top of some craft tape and then put it across the top here. It's showing a little bit darker and you can't really see the pattern of those dots on the video, but in person it doesn't look as dark gray and more matches the taupe color that was the accent color for this month. But I guess that taupe color there, you can see the little box on the edge of the page is showing up super dark gray as well. In person it is not that big of a contrast. It actually looks really good in person. I don't know why the video is looking so strange, but anyways, after I laid down that washi tape situation, I'm adding in the day of the week stickers. I really like the palette of this February kit. It is like light and whimsical and romantic without being let me throw up red and pink for Valentine's Day, so it's really sweet. Next in my process is putting down my circle date stickers. I completely forgot that for the B6 size I have to put in my box stickers first before I put the date stickers down because of how small the boxes are in the B6 size. When I was still in the A5, I didn't have to do that. So when I like halfway through putting my numbers on, I forgot I had to go in and add those first. So I added a couple of those. One just says Hello February at the top, and then I had a full date for Valentine's Day. My kiddos are in 4-H, so we have a chicken event coming up, 4-H show. I really just love that chicken washi. It's so fun. And the nice thing about the colors this month is putting down my chicken washi doesn't clash with all the pink, so that's fun. We also have a couple birthdays and President's Day is coming up, and then some meetings, I believe. Our school is also having a love of reading event that I'm going to put on there. And what else? I think I have a training, and I think that's it for now. I am going to kind of flip through what options I have between my functional stickers. That days of the week sheet, they always kind of change up which stickers are on there and how many of each one that they include. One of the things that they keep changing is the payday stickers that they give you each month, and that's kind of frustrating. So I kind of just peek and see if there's anything that I can incorporate. I'm going to finish my monthly spread up right now with the tab sticker. Then I'm going to flip through to the last week of January and add in my February stickers, starting with my days of the week. These days of the week stickers are from the creative kit, and then I'm going to add my date banners from the calendar weeks kit. I kind of like how this pop of yellow it coordinates a little bit with the muted tan colors. Like it doesn't feel like a huge jump to go from the color palette of January into the color palette of February. And that floral has some of the same colors from both kits, and so I just added that washi to continue that section. It's not on the video, but I also added a butterfly to kind of help cover that seam. So here is the look of my monthly spread. I am going to go in with some pen now. I use the clean color dot markers to mark any days where my work schedule is not going to be my normal work schedule. I don't always color coordinate that in this planner. I just use it. What I'm trying to say is I don't use a marker color that signifies anything particular. I try to pick a color that coordinates with the colors of the kit. Like I don't have a color coding system for this specific planner. So a couple other things that I'm adding in are appointments, and we have a literacy event for the Love of Reading week, and then I'm adding in some weekly reminders for something else that I am working on. I will fill in my this month, next month catch-alls as I need to, and that is it for this spread. Thanks for being here. See you next time. Bye.